Hello everyone, I'm Aishwarya from ABS department. Today I'm going to present about customer segmentation with K-means clustering. The objective of this experiment is to segment customers based on their annual income and spending score using the K-means clustering algorithm. This segmentation can help the business understand different customer groups and tailor marketing strategies. The goal, understanding customer segments, target marketing, and the improved satisfaction. Data preparations, the foundation. This was a basic step. So loading and pre-processing. We want to load the data set to be used for analysis and prepare it for the analysis. So it includes handling with missing values, duplicate records, like what. And the next one is exploratory data analysis. So here it is used to understand the structure and characteristics of your data. So handling missing value is nothing. The addressing missing data to ensure for the accurate clustering. And here for clustering customers with K-means, step 1 applying K-means, and 2 will be the finding the optimal K, and 3 will be the cluster prediction. Visualizing customer segment is nothing. We may plot our output in the visualized graph format using line plot, scatter plot, bar plot. We may have so many. For that, we want to import the library called matplotlib. And the next step is actionable insight, targeted marketing, and the product development and the customer service. So now we move on to the coding. Like we may use an example to implement the k-means clustering. We use the mall customer.csv file. So here we want to first import the necessary libraries and data.head, which is used to display the first few of the data sets, and the next will be the data.info. It will return the range of index and the columns, non-null count, which is nothing but non-null values, and it also return the data type. Data.isNull.sum of is nothing. It sum the all null values. So for from sklearn.cluster import k-means. So we want to import k-means from the sklearn.cluster. Then we use the for loop for going into the further steps. And next we want to plot the range for the above given range 1 comma 11. We want to plot it. So here plt.x label is nothing. We can given the name for the x labels as number of cluster, and for y WCSS, and the total title is the elbow method. And the next step, we use the slicing operations to particularly get some input values. And the next is we want to, after fitting it, we want to predict the values because y is an independent variable. And the next step, data of cluster which is equal to ypred is nothing. It adds a new column to the data sets, and it stores the values in the ypred variable. And then df of 0, df of 1, which is equal to data of cluster equal to 0. It is used for creating data frame for each cluster by filtering the data, and the column must be equal to 0 from 0 to 4, and it scatters it plots the output graph, which is based on the annual income and the spending scores from 1 to 100. And we may use different colors to classify the 5 clusters. So we may label it as cluster 0, 1, 2 up to 4. And here what about the k-means cluster.